Welcome to Code Advice. My name is Pete, and I'm one of your instructors. We have educational videos on artificial intelligence, computer programming, and web development design tutorials. Whether you're a beginner venturing into coding or an experienced developer looking to enhance your skills and achieve your goals, our channel is your go-to resource. Our video library has valuable content covering a wide range of programming languages. Dive into HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and PHP. Explore video tutorials on popular frameworks like Bootstrap and video tutorials on the most used CMS WordPress to create websites, e-commerce, member websites, and more. Dig into advanced topics such as object-oriented programming and WordPress, plugin creation, and master the art of MySQL database management. Stay ahead of the curve and keep up with the rapidly evolving tech landscape by subscribing to our YouTube channel Code Advice and log into our website, code-advice.com for e-learning videos, tutorials, games, and more. Here are our instructors who specialize in various areas introducing themselves to you.
Hi everyone, I'm Lisa. If you want to create stunning WordPress websites and master the art of web design and development, I'm here to guide you.
Hey there, I'm Lewis. JavaScript is my passion, and I'll help you build interactive websites and dive into the world of e-commerce.
Greetings everyone, I'm Ginger. If you're curious about AI and want to create intelligent website applications and more, I'll be your guide through this exciting journey.
Thank you, Lisa, Lewis, and Ginger. I teach PHP, MySQL, and creating WordPress plugins. Together, we make up the Code Advice team, ready to provide you with the knowledge and guidance you need to succeed in the ever-changing tech landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exciting coding adventure. Remember, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's start coding.